As we learned yesterday, we are finding the slope of a graph. Really what we're talking about is how much the graph rises over how much it is running. So meaning how much we are going up or down over how much we are going left or right. In order to decide this, we need to find exact points, or what I have called lattice points. You always want to check the y-axis first to see if you see anything there. So I actually have an exact point right here. So that's going to be one of the ones I choose. As I look, I'm going along the line. This one's not going to work because it doesn't go through a corner. This one doesn't go through a corner. But right up here at the x-axis, I actually do go through a corner. So again, I'm looking for where the grid lines all meet. So starting at one of the points, it doesn't matter which one I choose. I'm going to count up. I'm basically making a right triangle. So counting up, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know my rise was 4. I went in a positive direction, so it's a positive 4. And then I go right 1, 2, 3. I went in a positive direction, so that's a positive 3. So the slope of this line is 4 over 3, and we're going to keep it just like that.